guide you to post to multiple accounts at once on your Instagram. So let's see that how. First of all, make sure you have logged into your accounts on Instagram. So tap on your profile, and if you long press on it, and it will show you all the accounts that you had on Instagram and even Facebook too. So if you logged in to the Instagram account or the Facebook account, no need to worry. If you're not logged in, add Instagram account. Here you can log in into existing account, and you can log into that account and go to the story or the post. I can go for the post, and I'm selecting. I can go to the post. I can go to this photo and tap on next. And from here, tap on next. Here you can see also share on. So if you tap on that, if you toggle on, share this post and share this post to other Instagrams also, it will ask you for the access. So continue, and it will ask all of your details there to add those, and make sure you have completed all those details and click on continue and get back. And if you toggle on that, and that post will be shared to multiple accounts at once on Instagram. Thank you.